Pag sinabi ng customer mong, i-compare ko muna sa iba, ito yung dapat mong sabihin. Whenever a client gives the comparison card, your job is to make sure na hindi ka masyadong magiging defensive. Ganito yung dapat mong sabihin so that you can become more professional. Yeah, sure, Mr. Customer. As a matter of fact, tama lang yan. Importante na dapat kino-compare mo yung mga options na nakita mo. Pero curious lang ako. It seems like madami ka nang na-check at madami ka nang nakita. Pero for sure, hindi naman tayo mag-uusap ngayon kung nakita mo na yung hinahanap mo. Curious lang ako. Ano ba yung hinahanap mo na hanggang ngayon hindi mo pa nakikita? And then you stop and you listen. Oh, okay. Got it. So ito yung mga hinahanap mo. And if ever makita mo siya, would you be able to make a decision faster? Okay. So mas makakapag-decide ka pag nakita mo na yung ganitong qualities sa company or produktong hinahanap mo. Tama ba? Got it. Mr. Customer, what if I tell you right now na hindi mo na kailangan magpagod because I can give you all of those things na sinabi mo. And then you stop and you let the customer understand that. Whenever the customer brings a comparison card, your job is not to be defensive but to let him or her tell you kung ano ba yung hinahanap nila kaya kailangan nilang mag-compare. Because the reason why clients want to compare, it's because they're trying to find something that will fit their needs. So whenever a client tells you, check ko muna sa iba or i-compare ko lahat na nakuha ko, it means hindi niya pa nahahanap yung gusto niyang makita. And your job is to tell that customer, kaya kong ibigay sa yan. Gets mo? Kaya naman,